All right, guys, today we're checking out the LURSKY Cordless Hedge Trimmer. It's a 2-in-1 glass shear garden maintenance kit. So this is something that you could use on your garden, like your shrubbery in your back or front of your house, just to trim things up. And I'm actually going to show you how that works. Here's the actual handle of the unit itself. What I'm going to do right now is just unbox it, show you everything, and we'll show you how it works. So you got two different attachments. You have, and they're both protected, so they come protected. You got a cover over it. But this is the long blade, and basically that would just attach right here. And then this is the short blade, as you can see, the short trimmer there. And that attaches the same way. They both just attach right to the bottom of the unit, just like that. In addition, you also have a battery. The battery is supplied. This is a 1.5 AH 21 volt lithium ion battery, and it's also very easy to charge. So all we do to charge it up is it comes with a cord. You just plug it right in there, plug this into your wall, and it's going to get nice and charged up for you. And this thing will last for an hour solid at a full charge, and it only takes about 2 hours to fully charge the battery. So very nice unit. And then the battery just basically, like a cartridge, just clicks in there. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead, we'll see you outside, and let's trim some stuff. One last thing I did want to show you guys before I take it outside. This is a debris shield that is included as well. It even comes with 2 screws and a screwdriver. So I've got the second screw here and the screwdriver right here. And basically all you do is just insert it into the spot here, and then you just put the screw in and tighten it in place. And that's what I'm doing right now. All right, guys, so we're out here. We're going to show you how this hedge trimmer works in action. First thing we got to do is get the guard off. So now this thing's ready. So the way it works, we have it plugged in here, and you can see the battery's connected to it. So all we do to get this turned on, it actually has a safety. So if you try to press the trigger button, it doesn't work right now. But when we go like that, now it works. All right. So we've got the long blade on here, and basically you can see, you can just shape your shrubbery, and it's very easy. It's cutting right through it. So if you have like some thick green like bushes that kind of like grow out and you just want to trim them in place, I think this is a great tool for that. It's going to be great for trimming stuff in your garden, trimming stuff in your backyard, your front yard, and super easy to use, super easy to charge. Highly recommend.